Welcome, everyone, to our ultimate guide on building a great relationship. Relationships are the most rewarding yet challenging journeys we embark on in life. They bring us joy but require work, dedication, and heart. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 essential steps to help you create and maintain a strong, loving partnership. Whether you're just starting out or have been together for years, these principles will guide you towards a deeper connection. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started on this incredible journey towards building a love that lasts. Chapter 1: The Power of Communication. We begin with the cornerstone of any successful relationship: communication. It's about truly hearing each other, understanding each other's hearts, and expressing yourselves openly and honestly. Think of it like a bridge connecting two shores. Without it, you're left stranded, unable to reach the other side. When you communicate effectively, you build bridges of understanding. You share your joys, fears, and dreams. And just as importantly, you listen with empathy and compassion. Create a safe space where vulnerability is welcomed and authenticity is celebrated. Improve your communication by being present. Put down your phones, turn off the TV, and give each other your undivided attention. Look into each other's eyes. Listen without interrupting, and respond with empathy and understanding. Chapter 2: The Foundation of a Strong Bond. Now let's talk about trust. It's the bedrock, the very foundation upon which every great relationship is built. Without trust, you're building on shaky ground. Trust is about knowing in your heart that your partner has your back, that they're there for you no matter what. It's about feeling safe and secure in the knowledge that they will always be honest with you, even when it's difficult. Building trust takes time and consistency. It's about showing up for each other day after day, in big ways and small. Trust is also about allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Cherish the trust you have in your relationship, nurture it, and never take it for granted. Chapter 3: The Gift of Quality Time. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We often find ourselves running from one task to another, barely having a moment to breathe. But amidst the chaos, there's one thing you should always make time for: each other. It's essential to prioritize the people who matter most in our lives. Spending quality time together is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. It's the lifeblood of a thriving relationship. Without it, connections can weaken and fade. Quality time doesn't have to be extravagant or expensive. Simple moments can be the most meaningful. It's about being present, being fully engaged with each other, listening, sharing, and truly connecting. It could be as simple as cooking a meal together, going for a walk, or exploring a new place, or cuddling up on the sofa. These moments of togetherness are priceless. When you make time for each other, you're saying, "You are important to me." It's a powerful message of love and appreciation. So, put down your phones, step away from the screens, and disconnect from the digital world. Make a conscious effort to spend quality time together. Engage in activities that bring joy and foster connection. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. The bonds you build will be stronger, and the memories will last a lifetime. Chapter 4: Mutual Respect, the Golden Rule of Relationships. Growing up, my grandmother always used to say, "Treat others the way you want to be treated." This simple yet profound advice has stuck with me throughout my life, especially in my relationships. Mutual respect is the golden rule, the very foundation of a healthy, loving partnership. It's the glue that holds two people together through thick and thin. It's about valuing each other's thoughts, feelings, and opinions, even when you don't see eye to eye. Respecting differences is key to a harmonious relationship. Respect means listening without judgment, speaking kindly even in disagreements, and never belittling each other. It's about maintaining dignity and understanding. When you treat each other with respect, you create a safe and loving environment where both of you can thrive. This nurturing space allows love to grow. You encourage each other's growth and celebrate each other's accomplishments. Every success becomes a shared joy. Respect is not earned, it's given freely. It's a choice you make every day. Choose to treat your partner with the same level of respect that you wish to receive. This mutual respect fosters a deep connection. It's the foundation of a love that lasts a lifetime, a love that endures all challenges and grows stronger with time. Chapter 5. Being each other's biggest cheerleader. The power of support. One of the most beautiful things about being in a relationship is having someone who believes in you, someone who stands by your side through thick and thin. It's about being each other's biggest cheerleader, offering unwavering support and encouragement. True support goes beyond simply saying, "I'm here for you." It involves understanding and empathy. It's about showing up, actively participating in each other's lives, and celebrating victories, no matter how small. It's about offering a listening ear when things get tough, and being a shoulder to lean on. Support can be practical, like helping out with chores, or emotional, like offering words of encouragement and reassurance. Sometimes the most powerful form of support is simply believing in your partner even when they doubt themselves. Celebrate each other's successes, offer comfort during setbacks, and remind each other of your strengths and capabilities. Be there for each other and create a powerful bond of love, trust, and encouragement that can withstand any challenge. Chapter 6. Navigating Disagreements, the Art of Conflict Resolution. Disagreements are a natural part of any relationship. It's about learning how to navigate those disagreements constructively. Approach conflict with a spirit of understanding and a willingness to find common ground. Remember that you're on the same team, working towards a happy, healthy relationship. Communicate your feelings openly and honestly, but always with respect. Focus on listening to each other's perspectives and finding a compromise. Sometimes that might mean agreeing to disagree. Conflict, when handled with care, can be an opportunity for growth. It's a chance to understand each other better and build a deeper, more resilient bond. Chapter 7. The Importance of Intimacy, Keeping the Spark Alive. Intimacy is the glue that holds a relationship together. True intimacy encompasses all aspects of your being: physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual. It's about creating a space where you can be your most authentic selves. Physical intimacy is important, but emotional intimacy is about connecting on a deeper level. Intellectual intimacy is about stimulating each other's minds. Spiritual intimacy is about connecting on a soul level. When all of these elements come together, you create a powerful, unbreakable bond. Chapter 8. Shared Values, Building a Life on Common Ground. While differences can be exciting, shared values are essential for a lasting relationship. Your values are your compass, guiding you through life and shaping your decisions. When you share those core values with your partner, you create a strong foundation. This doesn't mean you have to agree on everything. Shared values create a sense of unity and make decision-making easier. Talk about your values and have open conversations about what's important to you. Build a life that reflects those shared beliefs. Chapter 9. The Importance of Personal Space, Nurturing Your Individuality. Being in a relationship doesn't mean losing yourself. It's about two whole individuals choosing to share their lives, maintain your own interests, and pursue your own passions. Think of it like two plants growing side by side. If their roots are constantly intertwined, they might struggle to thrive. Allow each other the freedom to pursue your own interests. Celebrate each other's individuality and create space for both togetherness and independence. Encourage each other's growth and bring new experiences to the relationship. Chapter 10. Never Stop Growing, Embracing Continuous Growth. A relationship is a journey, not a destination. It requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to embrace change. Life is constantly changing, and so are we. For a relationship to thrive, it needs to evolve and grow. Be open to new experiences and support each other's growth. Never stop learning, exploring, and seeking new ways to grow. The greatest gift you can give each other is the gift of growth. Thank you for watching our ultimate guide to building a great relationship. Remember, a strong relationship takes effort, understanding, and love. As we've explored these 10 essential steps, I hope you've gained valuable insights and practical tools to strengthen your own relationships. Building a lasting love is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up for each other, day after day, and choosing love, even when it's hard. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember, The world needs more love, so go out there and build something beautiful.